Are you tired of bad hair days and slow growth? Ever wondered how to transform your hair from this to this effortlessly? Well, you're in the right place. I've got the secrets you need to unlock your hair's full potential. Trust me, you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. So, grab your favorite hairbrush, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of gorgeous, healthy hair. Tip number 1. Rice water, the secret to double your hair growth. Rice water is one of the most underrated natural beauty ingredients. It's packed with minerals, vitamins, and amino acids that work wonders for your hair and scalp. It promotes rapid hair growth, strengthens each strand, thickens your hair, and adds a gorgeous, healthy shine. Here's how to make it. Simply take 1/2 cup of uncooked rice. Rinse thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Place the rinsed rice in a bowl and add 2 to 3 cups of water. Let it soak overnight. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl, and it's ready to use. After shampooing, rinse your hair with the rice water, massaging it gently into your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 20 minutes before washing it off with water. For best results, do this once a week and get ready to see the magic happen. Tip number 2. Onion oil, the secret to stronger, healthier hair. Onion oil is a total game changer for your hair. It's packed with sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens your hair roots. Plus, it helps moisturize your scalp, reduce dandruff, promote hair growth, and even minimize hair loss. If you're serious about healthy hair, this is one tip you don't want to skip. How to make and use onion oil. Add 1 to 2 chopped onions and a tablespoon of coconut oil in a blender jar. Blend until the mixture turns into a smooth, consistent paste. Add an equal quantity of onion paste and coconut oil in a saucepan. Stir well and simmer it on a low flame for a few minutes. When the onion paste starts to turn golden brown, remove from the heat. After the oil has cooled, take a cheesecloth and strain the oil through it. Transfer the oil to an airtight container. This step is optional. Add a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell of onions. Massage the oil on your hair and scalp. Wait for 30 minutes before you wash it off. Tip number 3. Biotin drink for healthy hair. Diet is crucial for healthy hair, so let me share a biotin smoothie that's rich in protein and vitamins, which are essential for hair health. You'll need just 5 ingredients. 1 tablespoon of whole pumpkin seeds, known for their hair health benefits. Some dates, as they are rich in iron and vitamins. A fresh banana, sliced, which is incredibly rich in biotin and vitamins. 6 to 8 almonds, which provide healthy fats, protein, and nutrients that support hair growth. 1 cup of milk. Blend everything together to make the smoothie. Drink this smoothie every other day along with a proper diet. Remember, just applying products to your scalp and expecting great results will not work because hair grows from the inside out. To truly promote hair growth, focus on a healthy diet, prioritize sleep, and manage stress. Nourish your body, and it will show in your skin, hair, and nails. Tip number 4. Scalp massage. This tip will help you achieve healthier, longer hair. Here's what you need to do. Perform a gentle 5-minute scalp massage daily using your fingertips. This promotes blood circulation, nourishes hair follicles, encourages hair growth, relieves stress, and enhances overall hair health. Tip number 5. Protect your hair while you sleep. To keep your hair silky, soft, and frizz-free overnight, and wake up with great hair, start using silk scrunchies instead of regular hair ties. They're gentler on your hair and help prevent breakage. Also, swap your regular cotton pillowcases for silk ones, which reduce friction on your hair, preventing breakage, frizz, and dryness. Braid your hair before bed as a protective hairstyle to prevent overnight damage and frizz. These small efforts can make a big difference. And that's a wrap on my top hair growth tips and secrets. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty and hair care content. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.